How we can transfer coin from Pi wallet to Bitget Wallet. First we need to go to Bitget Wallet. Then click on Assets button in right corner bottom. Now you can see the Add Funds button, click on it. Now you have to click on Deposit Crypto. Now you can search for Pi in search bar on top. After copy the Pi coin address, now you need to open Pi coin wallet in Pi browser. Now you can see the Pay and Request dashboard. Now you can see the Pay and Request option, so click on it to move forward. In this page you have to select manually Add Wallet Address option. Here you need to select amount of Pi which you want to send. After it you need to paste the Bitget wallet address in this box here which you had copied earlier. Now you need to click on Send button to send Pi. Click on Confirm button. Now you can see payment send successfully. Now you can go to Bitget Wallet and refresh the page. Your Pi will be updated there. Thank you for watching this video. Please like video and subscribe the channel.